gonna be shooting with this thing. Okay. Oh, dang it, you didn't see it. I just want you to go there. Now watch. Oh, yeah. You're gonna be aiming. This is what it does. You aim like this, and then if you want to do there, and then. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot down. Maybe you'll see this one. Yeah, you saw that one and hit the TV. I didn't meant to do it with the TV, but Okay, so next one, shooting there. Ooh, yeah, that was a problem. Next one will be shooting from, I don't know what angle. How would I shoot like that? Oh. I think this is my last one. Yep, it's my last one. Whee! Oh, I don't want to hit my dad. Oh, there we go. Oh, great. This is not going to be super short like the other ones that are like 3 minutes or something. Okay, I'm going to be keeping the camera like this. You can watch me before. 1, 2. Oh, these bullets went so. Like, I need to find 2 more. Oh, that was weird. The last one went behind a frame. Okay, I got all 6 bullets so far. Now I'm going to be shooting them upstairs. So, you just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got all 7 of my bullets. I mean 6. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna have to reload my gun. There we go. Aim and fire. Oh, where'd it go? I didn't see it. My 3rd bullet. Oh wow, I'm gonna shoot my next bullet. There. Oh. Usually I shoot it like this. Oh yeah. I think I have 1 more bullet left. Yep, I have 1 more bullet left. I'm gonna load it in. I got 1, 2, 3. I need to find 3 more. 4. I need to find 2 more. Those 2 will be up. 5 and 6. Okay. Okay. This minute is 5:52. 2 more seconds. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be starting off on the iPod. Oh, my brother's eating his ice cream over there. Okay, password. Oh, come on. Okay. Usually I'm gonna play Res HD. I've got all free games. I'll teach you how to play Math Pop 2. Okay. It's like an iPhone video. New game. 9 plus 4 is 13. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 times 1 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. 14 minus 7 is 2. 19 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then it's just calculations. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 times 1 is 9. 2. 7. 9. Ah! Oh, come on. 2, 2. 12 plus 9. Dang it. Okay. 15 plus 18 is, I'm just gonna guess. Yeah, and that's how you play. There's more stages, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to play. Oh, come on, it won't go the other way. Oh, fine. Yeah, you already know how to play Angry Birds. Art of Glow. This is like our game, but it's with glow. Buy 4 words and play for free. Play for free. Okay. So you do like this. Oh, and watch. If you want welcome demo, the welcome demo does this. Watch. See? Oh. Okay. Someone's drawing that. It's like a clown. Oh, I don't know. Next one. Oh, this one's a car. Car driving. Car driving on the road. Car driving on the road. Next one. Come on. Next one. Yeah, this is a cat. That's how you play it. Just a car game. you know how to play those Angler's game. I go to the app, HP app catalog, to download things. Okay, let's see. Bookmarks for... Oh wow, cat in the hat stuff. Okay. No. Back. Games. Okay. And where's the HD? Hockey HD. Okay, let's go see. This is a global hockey game. Yeah, there's different things. There's more things, but they won't appear. Oh, Tanked. My favorite game. Launch. Okay, so Tanked is like a tank game. Local. You can play with 2 players, 3 or 4. Okay, the 2 player looks like this. And yeah. And there's different places too. 3 player looks like this. And 4 player looks like this. The hedge maze. And then, well, of course, help. Pianist.
Sound off, except for saying that. So, starting now.
And Max, Min.
Sound on.
Yeah, and all that stuff. Your name. Yeah, and that's all. Some people say I killed a rating and that stuff. Saying findingresult.com. There's different tanks too. It shows the map, Africa, Asia, and where I was born, India. Oh yeah, in America, right there, covered. Right there, by the, right there. Yep, that's America. Connection timed out. Oh. Egypt. This is Egypt. A shield. You get like weapons. You're only allowed to have 3 weapons. Beagle. Okay, the weapons are there. I'll show you what each weapon does. Okay. So I'm gonna be the other take. Okay, he's looking at me. So, if I click the shield, oh dang it. Oh whatever. Forgot what you said. So. Oh great, I'm out of weapons. Well, you can find it behind this, Egypt has the most blocks in the Egypt, tower, or whatever you call it. The blocks give you the weapons. Oh, good. Okay. Hope to health get. Ah. Okay, he's on the site. Come on, get up to him. Now see. If I use a shield, it blocks all of his attacks. And it could block this one. And if I use this dog, it destroys your whole opponent, no matter how much their self bar is. Pew, meet at the Ryoko tunnel. Meet at the tunnel. At the sand dune. Pew, you're not supposed to destroy me. I'm just trying to show them the powers. Okay? Now just shoot me a lot of times so my health bar is really low. Okay. Okay, shoot me. Okay, don't shoot me! You're not supposed to shoot me like that. Oh, now I have to show you again. Help you stay there. Stay. Okay, now shoot me a lot of times. Okay, there. Do not shoot me anymore. See, my health bar is low. No matter what health bar you're at. If your health bar is totally gone, you're destroyed, and you cannot use the health kit. The health kit, look what it does. Watch the health bar as it gets bigger. Gets you fully. But it cannot block the dog. Okay. Shield. That's how you dodge other attacks. The health kit can't stop any. This kit, only the shield could stop the dog. Only. And watch how I defeat my brother. Shield. I can't use a shield! Okay, I'll do the next one. Okay. My brother's gonna now play 3. Okay, see, now we're in the hedge maze. Pew, let me have some room. Oh. Yeah, and that one's black. I see you, Chiya. Hey, you don't have to aim for me. Just me. Okay, he destroyed me and then I'm black. You can destroy me. Oh, okay, I see you. Oh, here. See you shooting? Yeah, I see you. I see you, Pew. I see you. Huh. And then whoever gets to 4 first wins. Now, if you play online, yeah, destroy the tank. Oh, you can destroy both. Yes, I destroyed. Hey, don't destroy me, because you won't destroy. Okay, whoever gets to 4 first wins. Do not destroy me. Ah, he destroyed me. I won't let him near the block. Oh. I got that one. Beagle, what did? No one destroys me. Oh yeah, I got a shield. Shield. Hey! Let me get out! And get. And don't destroy me. Okay, I'll let you destroy that one. Thanks. Oops. Hey! Sorry. Did I get to... Oh, wow, 330. Okay. It's the
Local.
4 players. Now this is gonna be a 4 player. Oh, we're in the arena. Oh, I'm playing him. Pew, that's me!
No, I have to start you.
Fine. If you wanna feel that way, feel it.
Because I have a shield get a health get.
Oh yeah?
Shield
get. Shield.
Too far. Hey! Let me destroy you!
I know what you have. It's my iPod. See?
Then I don't want. I'm gonna get mine. No.
Oh yeah, Pew's always cries.
And you a baby.
No, I'm 8 years old and you're only 5. Oh, I mean I'm 9. Oh, come on. Findingresolved.com. This one's a long video. Okay.
पीहू तुम भी इधर आ जाओ, मम्मी नहीं खिला पाएगी
Try
बेबी।
later.
अरे तो कैसे देखो मम्मी की नेक देखो मम्मी कैसे करे, मम्मी ऐसे नहीं, पूरा बॉडी ऐसे करके मूव करना पड़ता है। एक साइड बैठो मम्मी, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं घूम पाएगी ना, इसी साइड बैठो। ए भैया
If you don't know how to play.
हम कह रहे हैं कि इस साइड बैठो उठ करके, एक साइड।
My time is done.
Multiplayer.
My time is done. What's
Welcome to
wrong?
लो लो जल्दी जल्दी मुंह खोलो तुम लोग, मम्मी के कष्ट को नहीं समझ रहे हो, इतना ज्यादा पेन है।
Okay, so first you roll the wheel. I'm gonna choose attack. Then choose a laser.
लो अरे पहले खा लो, चाहिए तो जो करना है करो। नहीं आज ही ये होना था, ये इतना सारा काम पड़ा हुआ है। क्या करेगी भगवान।
Okay. This will make them red fire. What are you doing?
पैर नीचे करो चिया, नहीं करते बनेगा हमको।
One! He's defeated! Chiya! What? He's defeated. Oh! Just click it. Ooh, he's defeated. No, not shock. And got ultimate. He's defeated. Oh, he's defeated. Oh, yeah. Bye, bye, bye. Ooh, he's defeated. 35 versus 139. Oh yeah, he destroyed me. Hmm. 10, 22. 22. No. Rapid fire. Typhoon. Oh, he's defeated. I have 103 and he has 10. Eleven. Not again. Oh, he's defeated. Not again. The timer. 2. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to show you a different game. Okay. Now I want to. Brain Pop feature movie. I will show you all the fun games. Freestyle. Oh yeah, visual horse racing. If you go to this game, it's fun. Well, not really, but. Oh come on, I lost. You have to click the best horse. Okay, now I'm gonna be horse racing. Okay. After this part, I gotta this is gonna be like the last part. Since it's like 34 minutes. That's all. That's all the game. The free. That's all. We see horse. No winning, Chiya. I know I'm winning. I won. Okay. I don't see it. Wow, my brother's iPod is like that. Okay, my next part is gonna come up latest. And I'm about to X this.